In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can generate a picture quote like this using ChatGPT. Now, just to be clear, we are actually not going to be using the image generation model in ChatGPT because it is not the best feature to use. It is very slow, and also for a simple task of adding text on top of picture, it is a lot faster and more efficient if we are using the code interpreter feature in ChatGPT. So it is basically ChatGPT creating a script, and then with that script it can create a quote picture like this. So it is not going to alter the original picture, and it is more consistent than using the image model. For example, this picture, it's coming from this original photo, and if you look closely, it is actually the same. It is not changing anything on the picture. Of course, it is cropping the picture and making it a bit darker, but it is able to maintain all the details because, again, it is not actually using the image model. So with that out of the way, let me show you how you can actually create one. So first, you can upload the pictures first. You can upload some photos as the background of the quote. Now, for this example, I have 3 different photos, but you can upload up to 10 pictures. I believe that is the limit for the free and the plus subscribers on ChatGPT. So that's the limit, at least right now. But for this example, I just use 3 pictures because I just want to have 3 different quotes. Now, after that, you can insert this prompt into ChatGPT. You can find this prompt in the description down below, but this prompt is fully customizable. I intentionally make the prompt in the format of bullet points so you can easily change or alter the instructions based on what you need. But I'll just copy the full prompt right here, and let's go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste that right here. So after that, at the end, you want to insert the quote that will be later inserted into the pictures right here. So I have 3 quotes alongside with the name of the authors. Let me just copy it, and let's just add a new line, and I'm going to paste that right here. Now, after that, I do recommend using the thinking model in ChatGPT because for my testing, it is a lot more consistent than the regular model. So I have ChatGPT 5.1 right now, but there could be GPT 5.5, GPT 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I don't know, but I do recommend using the thinking version. And after that, just send the message and let ChatGPT create a script, a Python code that later can be used to alter these pictures. So it might take quite a while depending on how many images that are being processed, and also perhaps your internet connection, because after all, the pictures will be downloaded to your device and then later you can preview it. So I'll just skip forward and show you the result. Okay, so it took about, I believe, around 30 to 40 seconds, and even though it is not instant, it is definitely a lot faster than waiting the image model to create a picture, which usually will take about 1 or 2 minutes per one picture, by the way. But right here, as you can see, we got 3 different pictures. So I'm going to download all of them. So let me just click download, and I do recommend to just download these files immediately because these files are actually stored temporarily on ChatGPT. So if you are not downloading the files immediately, then it is likely going to be deleted from the server. So that's one thing to know. Okay, let me just download this. There you go. So let me just open the picture. Okay, so this is the result. And how about the second picture? Okay, it looks great. And finally, the third picture. So yeah, it's amazing that we can create quote pictures like this using the code interpreter feature in ChatGPT. It is a lot faster, it is a lot more consistent, more accurate, it is not going to hallucinate. So I think this is actually a great alternative to tools like Canva, Photoshop, or any tools that people are using to create quote pictures. So yeah, that's basically it. The full prompt will be available in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.